everybody. I'm Mrs. Hiccups, and it's story time. Today's story is about Busy and Jumper. Busy and Jumper are twin sisters. Busy says she was born first, but Jumper says she was born first. Their mom can't remember. Busy likes orange, and Jumper likes purple. Busy likes to ride her bike, and Jumper rides a scooter. So you can see they are very different. One day before school, Busy couldn't decide between stripes or checks, and Jumper got very impatient. "Why does Busy spend so much time picking out her clothes?" Jumper asked her mom. Their mom said, "The same reason you take so much time picking out a book, Jumper." "But books are important," said Jumper. "Well, Busy's clothes are important to her," said their mom. Jumper agreed, but inside she really didn't. As Busy and Jumper walked to school, Blue Robot went zooming by shouting, "Hi, Busy! Hi, Jumper! You're late!" And Jumper yelled back, "You can thank Busy for that." Blue Robot swiftly turned around and said, "Thank you, Busy." "I was just kidding, Blue. Busy couldn't decide between stripes or checks this morning," said Jumper. "Oh, that is very interesting. Did you know old-time famous Queen Victoria dressed her son in sailor stripes, and that's how stripes became so popular," said Blue Robot. "How do you know that, Blue Robot?" asked Jumper. Blue Robot said, "I read it in a book." And Busy and Jumper continued to walk to school. And Jumper thought maybe she was more like her sister than she thought. Yes, that's it. That's our story for today. I will see you all soon again. I'm Mrs. Hiccups, and I will see you again soon. And goodbye to everyone.